Hi, I'm Doug Langford with JDL Homes. Today I'd like to briefly discuss mechanical systems and heating and cooling in your home. So whether you're substantially renovating or building a new home, there's 2 or 3 different ways you can think about heating your house. The first and the most economical to install is electric baseboard heat. However, with electricity going up, long term, that may not be such a good way to go with price-wise and your utility bills. Also, these long baseboards take up valuable room. The second and most common is forced air. Forced air, we probably all grew up with forced air in our house. Forced air is a larger furnace and it blows hot air through the house through a system of ducting. The nice thing about a forced air system is that if you wanted air conditioning in the house, you can actually take your air conditioning unit and piggyback that ducting that goes through your house. The third, more expensive but really efficient way to heat your home is using hydronic in-floor heat. So you use a small gas-fired boiler that mounts on the wall and it heats hot water that goes through a pipe throughout the floors of your house, heating the home. That boiler can also at the same time heat your domestic hot water. So it's very efficient, takes up minimal room, no noise. If you want to add air conditioning, you have to do a whole complete new system, so several $1,000s more than piggybacking that forced air. So something to really consider depending on your budget and what's really important to you. A more advanced system requires a little more land is geothermal heat and cooling, but that requires a lot of digging in your backyard with a series of pipes going through and actually catching Mother Nature's heat and cooling depending on the season. Thank you.